Hello friends, how are you everyone? I hope will be happy. Friends, today in this video we are going to tell about something Independence Day. You know tomorrow we all Indians are going to celebrate 18th Independence Day of India. We know that why to celebrate, all have known about it, all have known why to celebrate because of 18 years ago almost said that 100 years ago we all Indians under the British rule, and British rule all India that time. This type of we are gathered one place that time. No one was courage that gathered one place more than 5, 6, 10 and more than 15 and 100 people and raise voice against the country, raise voice against the ruler. But this time we are free. We are free but not free. You know one thing, we are people of India. I am not a Hindu. We are not Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Isai. We all are Indians. We all are Indians. All have taken oath on this day that you always stand with your country, with your state, not parties come and go, leaders come and go, but country always stay. Country always will stay. Always, always, always. Don't fight with each other. Hindus, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, both Christians, because we all are human and all where we should live. Our duty is to save that place. All Indians live in India. Why to go against India? India is our country and we love our country and always will be love our country. So you know that only one day you take a flag in your hands and to hoist in the sky and say that we all are free and we all are love country lover. No, no, no. Only one day you take flag and say that we are country lover. Not what? What are you doing for country? Have you ever thought about it? Have you ever thought about it? Don't know. You don't know how to how to grow India in the world. Have you ever thought about it? Imagine not. Friends, this time, whatever you do for your life, whatever you do for your life, if you waste your time, don't think that waste your time, waste country's time. Each and every people of India to waste time to grow in their life, always add in the country's time and country's values. Don't think only one your life. You are the unique in the world and you will do work for India. Always you clean your washroom, clean your home, clean your room around side, your boundaries around side. You are a country lover. Have you ever thought about it? A person to take care of whom? That person to take care of their family, that is called country lover, family lover. Got it? Don't think what will you do. You will do so much something for India, for family. Have you ever thought about it? India is our country and we love my country. We love our country. And all Indians you love. You live in this country. Here you take your food from, you take your water, you take here everything is available. You all take in India, and we live and we should die in India and work for India, work for country. This time, you know one thing, that in India all things, all चीजें will be improved. You against the government, education, farming and jobs and infrastructure and companies and karkhana, that means many more should have. You work properly. Got it, my friends? And every student, you study, focus on yourself. Don't you go outside. Always time. Don't do anything. You play so much. Whatever you want to do in your life, you do. But whatever you do for India. You do for country. You do for family. Got it? Atija. Thanks for you. My dear friends, brothers and sisters, you know, it's your life, it's your choice how to you become, as you think, as you become. But first, you think positive. Never think in negative. Once time you think in negative, you never grow in your life. Tomorrow, we all are going to celebrate 18th Independence Day of India, and we all happy, and I am happy here to celebrate this, and all one go and always be happy in your life and always love country and always stay with your family. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.